If you are a Marvel fan, you might have already heard of Jarvis, even if it is science fiction, but the technology already exists which enables AI to talk like humans, and it is called natural language processing, or NLP for short. In this series of videos I will teach you how to do natural language processing using PyTorch, but for that you must know Python. So what exactly is NLP? We use NLP every day. The people you ask for queries on website, smart assistant, even calls made over the internet have one thing in common, that is all of them are AI. Now you might be thinking, how do they answer just like a human? Well, this, my friends, is due to a field of AI called natural language processing. NLP is the branch of AI that enables AI to talk, understand and derive meaning from human speech. Every day you interact with people on social media, transferring massive amount of data which is used to train the AI, which enables them to understand and mimic human behavior. This can save millions of hours of time and manpower. We use NLP every day, more than you realize. All this might sound complicated, but this is actually very easy to learn. Your document is written using many words, so for the computer to understand it is converted into a form that they can understand. After that, the computer makes a prediction and transforms it back to a form that we can understand. I hope by this point you have understood what exactly is NLP. In the next part, I will show you the various steps that takes place for AI to talk like humans. By the way, this video was made using text-to-speech synthesizer, which is also an application of NLP. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.